Family is very important to many people. In English, we use the word family to talk about the people who are related to us and who we care about a lot. Families can be big or small, and they can include different types of people. In a family, there are often parents, like a mom and a dad. Sometimes there might be just one parent, like a single mom or dad. Parents take care of their children and help them learn and grow. Children are also part of a family. They can be sons or daughters. Sometimes there are brothers and sisters, too. Brothers are boys, and sisters are girls. Brothers and sisters can play together, and sometimes they might argue, but they still love each other. Grandparents are another important part of many families. They are the parents of our parents. We call them grandma and grandpa. They often have a lot of wisdom and love to share with their grandchildren. Aunts and uncles are also part of the family. They are the brothers and sisters of our parents. We can have many aunts and uncles, and they can be a lot of fun to be around. Cousins are like brothers and sisters, but they are the children of our aunts and uncles. Cousins can be great friends and playmates. Family members often spend time together doing fun things like eating meals, playing games, going on trips, and celebrating special occasions like birthdays and holidays. Families also support each other and help each other when someone needs it. So family is all about love, support, and spending time together with the people who are important to us.